In this tutorial we will review the Farming Report tool within the companion website. Once you are logged into the companion website, navigate to the Tools tab, then click on the Farming Report tile. There are 3 tabs across the top of the Farming Report window. Optional and required information will be designated in light gray text. Required inputs will always appear on the first tab. If you would like to dive into additional filter options, you can easily navigate through the tabs. On the General tab, you can adjust your search type. When subdivision is the selected search type, you will toggle to include a particular subdivision in the report. The default is set to No. Click Yes to include. You can also use the filter field to narrow your results. When map is the search type selection, input an address or approximate location, then use one of the drawing tools to draw the area for the farming report. In this example, I will use the address search type. Next, I will input the required information. The search by options includes max records and radius. The max records option allows you to find the input number of properties in closest proximity to the subject property. The other option, radius, will find properties within the area you have designated in relation to the subject property. The number of matching properties will appear on the bottom left of the screen. From here I could click Submit to generate the report, or I can continue and add additional filters to narrow my search results. On the Common Filters tab, you will find key features to select for your farming report. Using the min and max zip code fields when completing a city search is recommended. Note, even though a default is set to No for a filter, it simply means a filter will not be applied. For example, in the property type filters, if I do not alter the selection for commercial, these types of properties will continue to be a part of my report. In the filter fields where there is a minimum and maximum, you do not have to input a number into each field. Here I will filter for a minimum of 2 bathrooms to be included in the report. You also have the option to clear a filter once an input has been made. You will notice as I am making filter selections, the matching properties results are updating in the bottom left corner of this screen. If you click on Matching Properties, a window will pop open with a list of the applied filters. Now, I will navigate to the Additional Filters tab. I will select Yes from the Has a Pool menu. And once I am ready, I will click Submit to generate the farming report. Select Proceed when the credits window appears. I will name the file, then click OK. On the generated report, the addresses are links to a Google map. For this farming report you can't change inputs, start over, or export results. Once Export Results is selected, you will select Export to PDF, Export to Excel, or create mailing labels. In this example, I will first export as a PDF. You will have the option to view document, email document, or close. Next, I will select Export to Excel. When I select View Document, the Excel sheet will appear in the bottom left corner of my web browser. To open, click on the downloaded item. Lastly, I will select to create mailing labels. Once selected, a menu will appear where you can select the address type, either mailing address or property address. As well, you can select the addressee, either current owner or other. The other selection requires an input. Then exclude incomplete addresses, which is defaulted to Yes. Once your selections have been made, click Submit to either view or email the labels. The farming report will also be saved to your saved items as a PDF, accessible from the left menu. From the saved items you can click to select the report and choose to export results, delete, or close. We hope you enjoy using the farming report and other features on the PTC companion website, and always feel free to reach out to your PTC account manager with any questions or further training needs.